Today in this video, I'm talking about a very, very common suspension problem I see on just about every car I work on. It's probably the highest failure rate on Volkswagens, Audis, BMWs, everything. You know, if you had to just pick one suspension component, and it's the most annoying from a driver's standpoint. Pretty easy to on a test drive to isolate that as the problem. You know, you can't be 100% sure, but you can get a pretty good idea of what to check for just taking the car for a quick spin. It's the sway bar links are bad on this car, and the way I can tell is low speed over little bumps. You hear a little kind of a rattle, kind of a sharp little looseness kind of feel up front, and you can play that noise every time you load the car to the side, back and forth. The only other thing that really acts the same way would be a sway bar bushing, and that's usually a lower pitched thud. This is kind of a sharper noise. I'm not sure how well this is coming through, but it ticks every time I load the car one way. The left front is the one that's bad. It's easier to tell by doing that than just going over bumps, because sometimes a ball joint that's failing can sound very similar over bumps, low speed like this. But a ball joint usually won't respond as repeatedly to side load like that. So just taking the car and rocking the steering wheel back and forth, you know, will give you a good indication whether or not it's a sway bar or a sway bar bushing. So that's all. Thanks for watching.